Wondering what to do while in Goa's capital city Panjim, especially if you're visiting the historic Panjim Church? Here's everything you need to know and more, so make sure to watch this video till the end. No trip to Panjim is complete without witnessing the Immaculate Conception Church. The Immaculate Conception Church, also known as Panjim Church, dates back to the 16th century, making it one of Goa's oldest and most iconic religious sites. The church features a striking white facade and a unique zigzag staircase inspired by Portuguese churches, making it an ideal travel spot for history buffs. Explore Panjim Square. The church square, also known as Panjim Square, is always buzzing with activity. You'll find tourists strolling around, taking pictures of the church, shopping for souvenirs, or enjoying local goan treats from iconic bakeries like Mr. Baker. Stop by Tato for a refreshing cup of tea. Afterward, you can head to the Panjim market just a few blocks away for more shopping and snacking. Relax at Garcia de Orta. After strolling around, unwind at Garcia de Orta, also known as Panjim Municipal Garden. This peaceful garden is a perfect spot to relax. Believe it or not, during the annual carnival, the garden transforms into a lively party hotspot known as Samba Square. Walk through Fontainhas. The colourful lanes of Fontainhas are mesmerizing. As you walk through this historic Latin quarter, you'll feel like you've stepped into a different era with its old Portuguese-style houses. While it's easy to get lost in the beauty of the area, remember to respect the residents and their privacy as you explore this quaint neighbourhood. This was our quick Panjim itinerary. If you know of any spots we missed, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Goan Times YouTube channel, your gateway to Goa.